Okay, good morning, Miss. Yes, today I'm giving the information for primary 4 and we take it from the OP next week. Um, okay, we start from homework. Here we have the homework of math. From the question, now we can start with the question number 1.
Yes.
Oh, sorry. Yeah.
How many lines of symmetry does a square have in a total? C. 4. Number 2. Which of the following is not a line of symmetry of a square? D. Curved line. Number 3. A rectangle has C. Both vertical and horizontal lines of symmetry. Number 4. How many lines of symmetry does a regular pentagon have? C. 5. Folding a square paper in half helps us to define lines of symmetry. 1. Symmetric lines are lines that divide a shape into two equal parts. Number 2. Diagonal lines join opposite corners inside a shape. Number 2. 3. A mirror image that shows shape flipped across a line is called reflection. Number 4. A shape often flat after being folded once before is called unfold. Yeah. When we fold and then open a paper to see equal parts, we see symmetry lines.
Okay, number 1.
What is the fault line called in reflection? Fault line in reflection called is a mirror line or the symmetry lines. Number 2, a square is refracted across a mirror line. What shape the result? The result of the shape is the same shape and with the same size. How many lines of symmetries does a square have? A square have 4 symmetry lines. Which shape has more lines of symmetry, a square or a rectangle? So the shape that has more lines of symmetry is a square, because square has 4 symmetry lines but rectangle only 2. Number 5, if a shape has rotational symmetry, must it have line symmetry? Not always, because when we do rotation equally, not all the shape will have the line symmetry.
Okay, now we move to science.
Number 1, what is the role of producer in a food chain? The answer is C. They make their own food. Number 2, which of the following is an example of predator and its prey? B. Cheetah and gazelle. Number C. Which of the following animals is an omnivore? C. Bear. What does an ecologist study? See how plants and animals interact with their environment. Number 5. Which of these are correct food chains based on the diagram? The answer is grass B. Grasshopper, bluebird, and snake. Number 1. Consumer are living things that eat plants or other living things. Producer are living things that make food using sunlight energy. Chlorophyll is a green substance in leaves that capture sunlight energy. The process by which plant make food using sunlight and air is called photosynthesis. In a food chain, all animals are consumer because they eat or consume other living things. Number 1, why can't animal make their own food like plants do? Because animal cannot make their own food, and then animal like chlorophyll and cannot do the photosynthesis. Number 2, explain how sunlight help a plant grow. Sunlight help a plant to produce food by process of photosynthesis. And Number 3, why are plants important in every food chain? Because plants can make their own food and provide energy for other animals. or other living things. Number 4, what do we call animals that eat only plants? The animals that only eat plants is herbivore. Number 5, please write an example of omnivores: bear, chickens, and human.
Okay.
This is all of the based on the book. So jika kotak pertama berisi 2 jeruk, kotak kedua berisi 3 jeruk, kotak ketiga berisi 4, maka kotak keempat berisi 5 jeruk.
Ini pola bilangan ya?
Pola gambar. Pola gambar, pola bilangan juga. Pola gambar sosis, 3 sosis, 5 sosis, 7 sosis. Pola ini bertambah. C, 3 sosis, 2 sosis, B, 2 sosis setiap langkahnya. Nomor 3, perhatikan dari bilangan 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. Bilangan selanjutnya adalah 30. Nomor 4, pola bilangan 2, 4, 6, 8 menunjukkan bilangannya selalu bertambah 2, 40, 35, 35. Bilangan selanjutnya adalah 20. D.
30, 35, 30.
Untuk urutan gambar berubah semakin besar tiap langkahnya disebut pola gambar membesar. Urutan gambar berubah semakin kecil tiap langkahnya disebut pola gambar mengecil. Rubrik adalah panduan penilaian Wikipedia hasil pekerjaan tertentu. Pola gambar yang ukurannya semakin kecil dari waktu-waktu mengecil dari waktu-waktu dinamakan pola gambar mengecil. Panduan penilaian yang digunakan guru untuk menghasilkan disebut rubrik. Nomor 1.
Kondisionnya.
Berapa banyak segitiga pada baris kedua pada halaman 80? Ada 3 segitiga. Bisa.
Also this one.
Oh, based on the
picture. Okay, let me check this. So all this question.
Because this something very easy for them. I take from the book.
Yeah, I mean from this question, you one picture only or every
Have
picture.
two picture also. On page 80 and 81, the answer. Okay, they can find that.
Yeah, I think if it is possible, maybe you can just input the picture.
Picture?
But, yeah, picture from the.
Oh, yeah. I think the primary part we can use that one.
Okay.
This one part tidak segitiga.
So what is the next one?
1, 3, 5, this is 7.
Okay. This one?
1, 4, this is 1, 4, 7, 7 and 10.
10. Okay.
2, 5, 5, 8, 11.
2, 5, 8, 11, yeah.
2, 6, 10, 14.
14.
1, 6, 6, 11, 6, 11, 5, 16.
Now we need to. So here we have for the math, will be taken from the page 74 until 80. So let's open the book first.
No, again.
Next one.
No.
Next page.
Apa this? This one. 5 lines of symmetry.
Okay, Miss. This is about line symmetry. So can you explain about the concept behind this topic? So what is the line symmetry about?
Line symmetry is about that, for example, a shape that we fold, and then they can create the whole part of the shape with the same part. Like I will use this one, origami paper. So I ask them to fold so they can know how many symmetric lines of the square, and I also use the A4 paper, A4 paper, they want for rectangle, so they know how many rectangle symmetric lines.
So here, from the homework just now, you mentioned that the square has the 4 line symmetry and the
Rectangle.
rectangle has only 2. So can you show, make it in the picture? So why they are different? Which one is the different part?
For example, this is a square. So the symmetry lines of the square is 1, 2, 3, 4.
Okay.
This is the symmetry of the square. For the rectangle, the symmetry line only 2, 1, and 2.
Okay, so this symmetry line is the way to say how to
To
fold,
fold some shape
and
into
they
equal
can
parts.
cover it. The part that you fold is cover equal, right? So it means if you take from like that, yeah, I see.
Yes.
It's only two. The concept of symmetry. So next is about the science project, and for the next science project will be about observing the plan, right?
Yes, sir.
So the plan, and actually you have provide the materials, but what day is it actually?
Next Friday on 10th.
Friday. So
Yeah, 10 October.
it means because this plan needs time to grow. It means you can start to plan the plan maybe from this Monday. Usually the green beans will be grow around one week.
Oh.
Yeah, to reach the leaf, to observe the leaf.
So I wait by myself, and then
Yeah.
on Friday they will observe.
Yeah, they will observe. Or maybe the first meeting in the science project, what means?
Wednesday.
Wednesday.
So far, as of first in the time.
Maybe just takes time to show them how to plan in the Monday, right? And you put it in the backside too, in the second floor, the backside floor.
Oh.
Yeah.
Oh.
And here, could you explain about the detailed procedure of this experiment and what is the goals of this experiment?
The step of the science projects on Friday. Later, I will divide them into each group that consists of 4 students in one group, and after that, they will try to put their own seed, and then inside the cup, we use the aqua cup that one, and then actually in our outline, we use soil, but I think more better if we use cotton, so it's not really messy later, and after that they try to put the seed inside the cotton, and after that they will observe how is the length of their plants day by day, and the goal they will find their goals is to find the animal with the light, how many the length of the plants with the light, and how many the length of the plants without light. That's the goals. But before that, yeah, like you said before, I need to make the plans to make the project first on Monday.
Okay. Now we have to sign it away. This number.
Yes, sir.
Oh yeah, it has summary point because this is the review. Yeah. Can you explain some of
From number one, plants and animals need air, water, food, sunlight to space to survive. So on this chapter, we learn how the plants and animals get their energy if plants by doing photosynthesis. So when plants do the photosynthesis, so it needs air, water, food, and sunlight, and then so they can create their own food or make their own food and provide energy for the other living thing. And animals need food from the plants, so they can survive their life. Also human. And number two, this one they make through photosynthesis using sunlight, water, and chlorophyll. Number three, energy is stored in the form of glucose. And then after the plants do the photosynthesis process, so they can produce glucose. And then after that, animals cannot make their own food because the animal lack of chlorophyll and they cannot do the photosynthesis, so they get energy from the plants or from the plants. And then herbivore, we also learn about herbivore, carnivore, and omnivore. So herbivore is an animal that eats only plants. Carnivore is an animal that eats another animals, and omnivore eat both of their plants and other animals. The sun is the main energy of this source.
Okay. Yeah, now we move to okay, for the vocabularies, we will start from mathematical first. Pola gambar membesar.
Pola gambar membesar adalah urutan gambar berubah semakin besar setiap langkahnya. Jadi pola gambar membesar ini adalah pola di mana gambar semakin membesar secara teratur. Contohnya lingkaran kecil berubah menjadi sedang lalu menjadi besar.
Pola gambar mengecil.
Urutan gambar berubah semakin kecil di setiap langkahnya. Pola gambar mengecil itu di mana menunjukkan pola di mana semakin mengecil di setiap langkahnya secara teratur. Contohnya itu misalnya segitiga dari yang besar sedang ke kecil.
Okay.
Pola gambar.
Now we move to math. We have a reflection here.
Reflection is mirror image showing shape flip cross a line. Reflection happens when a shape looks like it's flipped in a mirror. For example, letter A reflected across a line and look like same on the both sides.
Diagonal lines.
The diagonal lines is slanted line that joining opposite corner inside a shape. Diagonal lines show where diagonal line connects one corner of a shape to another adjacent corners. For example, on rectangle and square, diagonal line across line and make them look balanced.
Okay, Miss, I think that is all for our information today. Thank you.
Jadi,